Hey, I'm Parker with Tmat, showing off our cargo organization system in a Ram 1500. Tmat is proudly made in America from a weather-resistant polymer that keeps your gear and your bed safe. It sits cleanly between the cab, tailgate, and wheel wells. No cutting or drilling required. You can also choose to fit it around your wheel wells, but you won't be able to slide it out. Here's some of our blockers. Right here I have the adjustable blocker, the tight fit blocker, and the quick fit blocker. All designed to keep your gear locked in place. They're easy to move and reposition. All you have to do is pop them out and drop them back wherever you need. When you're hauling equipment, liquids, or even chemicals, you probably want to avoid any residue pulling onto your Tmat. That's why we offer an optional drainage hole feature. It helps keep the surface clear, reduces slipping, and makes cleanup a lot easier. Whether you're rinsing off dirt or dealing with messy cargo, our drainage holes let liquid pass through the mat, keeping your bed clean and ready for whatever's next. Tmat will hold your gear steady no matter the job. It's built for a variety of situations, whether it's tough job sites, long trips, or weekends off the grid. And check this out, look how easily it slides out of the truck bed. Just like that, Tmat is ready to go in the Ram 1500. Be sure to check out our social media for more clips of our product in action.